What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman here. We're in the kitchen here at my place, cooking some ribs right now in the oven. So I just wanted to showcase, we have a new sponsor on the channel. It is Rokform. It's a motorcycle foam mount, also phone cases. One cool thing about it is that they're all magnetic. That's what I love, but it does secure to your phone. Now I got some new stuff. Now this is part of the affiliate program. They sent me some stuff. So there is a link in the description for 20% off. If you wanted to check that out, there is a coupon code. But we got the Pro mount. It's the Pro Ball motorcycle handlebar phone mount, and then also the vibration dampener, because you want to protect your actual camera lenses, the digital lens, especially the optical zoom and everything. And I also got the sport ring on there. And then on top of that, I got, these are my golf clubs. And if you saw it on the live stream, this is the Golf Pro shooter. I love it. Basically what I can do when I'm out golfing is that it's a monopod, stick it in the grass, and then the magnet mount. I can actually film some stuff. But it fits inside the golf bag, absolutely like that. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for the actual motorcycle stuff. So, some really good beef ribs. Anyways, we have the mount. Now, one thing I really like about this, and I really was just gonna install all this stuff and just not really show you this, but I just felt really inspired to kind of show you guys some behind the scenes and on top of what this is, because the packaging is actually pretty damn cool. I'm a sucker for really nice packaging, beautiful everything. It's really nice. I'm wondering if they spend a lot of money on that. But anyways, it's magnet, and then on the inside, you have some really cool designs. It tells you everything that you need to know, and then it slides on out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that all out. This is a great, it's honestly good packaging. And then I'm an old school video game person, so I like having the instruction manual inside the old CD cases and stuff. But this is a really good instruction manual on how to install everything. And you get a nice little poster at the end of the day, which they used to have, you know, in those video game manuals. But anyways, that's that. And then on the inside, you have the actual mount. Now, this looks an awful lot like, you know, like a RAM, I don't want to say other people, but the RAM mount, you know how they have this whole thing right here, this multi-adjustable, that's what I wanted the Pro mount for. But this is aluminum, this is metal. Like, it's not plastic. So it's really cool. All this is metal, everything's metal. So I'm gonna install this. This is how it locks in. It's just like, you know, it's a 4 locking thing. So I have the sport ring, that's what this thing is. And it goes on the back of your Rokform case. So I usually walk around kind of doing this when I'm doing my walks, and then I'll just, you know, talk to voice notes. I don't like having the phone in my pocket, but there's the back of it. It comes right off, and it's also magnetic. So there's a magnet here, this is magnetic. And so that's what the sport ring does. But when you attach it, and I'll show you guys how to use this basically when we do the Smart Rider drills and the Smart Rider games, I like having the phone because then I can have the drills and the games on here, which the new season is coming up. So anyways, it just locks in like this. It's easier when it's definitely on the mount or on the bike. But yeah, it locks in, and then you push that. Like I said, it's gonna be easier when it's on the bike because I'm not having to hold all of this, and it comes right off. Now I did get the vibration dampener, like I said. Same thing, cool case, slides right out, shows you everything. It comes with the instruction manual. And then I'm going to install the vibration dampener on here. So I'm gonna replace this thing right here and then put the vibration dampener on. But it's the same concept, it's gonna lock right in, absolutely love it. But we have a brand new sponsor here, so you guys wanna check it out, links in the description. Really cool stuff. I mean, I really like everything. But that's what it's gonna look like on the bike. Guys, check it out. Use your phone on your handlebars for GPS navigation, and then also for the Smart Rider games, so that way you can have the designs. And if you don't know what the designs are, these are the designs for the Smart Rider games. It's a PDF, you can download it. It's in the store right now. It's loading. Come on, there we go. So it's loading. So you get all the drills, everything. Now there is a free version on the website right now. It's a brand new website. I'm gonna show you what the free version looks like. So the free version, you go to the website, you put information, you're gonna sign up for the emails because I'm gonna tell you when, like the Google Forms to upload your submissions, and the next season, when the new courses come out, but you get a free download. Now this has all 8 drills for the season itself. And if you click on any of the QR codes, it'll take you to the video of me actually doing it and demonstrating everything so that you know what you need to do. Now it's all hooked up right now. The Wi-Fi is a little bit slow here at the La Casa, if you guys know what I'm talking about there. But, oh, it's playing, that's why, it's playing on my TV. There's the dogs. But anyways, we're back over here. So yeah, get it, love it. You're gonna enjoy it yourself.